Jasmine, hi Siddharth, welcome to Glitz Vision. We will start the Christmas segment. So basically I'm going to ask you some questions related to Christmas. So let's start? Okay. So ladies first, what are your Christmas plans this year, Jasmine?
Jasmine क्या टेढ़ी हो गई है? I mean KLPD हो गया है.
ये लड़का कभी नहीं सुधर सकता है, ठीक है चंदा लड़का.
Actually, my life is very random right now. I mean, I've been traveling here and there, going to places, visiting our country and outside the country also. But let's see. I mean, it's too random. If I'm here on the Christmas, then definitely Mount Mary is the place where you will find me. Otherwise, somewhere कहीं किसी कोने में किसी खोपचे.
पार्टी कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
Okay. Jasmine, share your fondest Christmas memories with us.
My fondest Christmas memories are school time का memories. फैंसी जो Santa आएगा वो socks रख दो और फिर वो उसमें डाल के जाएगा. Red socks होना चाहिए. So I remember when मुझे red socks नहीं मिल रहा था, मैं इतनी trouble हो गई. I just wanted somehow और मैं वो रख के सोती थी और मुझे लगता था काफ़ी टाइम तक तो मुझे लगता था कि सच में Santa आके गिफ्ट देके जाते हैं. But later I got to know it was my grandfather or my parents which were keeping the gifts. So that's the best memory.
So that you?
Yeah, there have been obviously many memories. Especially, actually, I'm from Jammu, so there hasn't been a lot of craze as far as Christmas is concerned. But yes, there are churches, and I used to visit because I believe in all the religions, and I love going to church. Lately, I'll tell you in Bombay, I think 1-2 साल पहले मैं माउंट मैरी गया था. वहाँ पे जो opposite church है, क्या नाम है उसका? माउंट मैरी के opposite जो church है. हाँ, so मैं अंदर चर्च के गया और बाहर आया, and then we were a group of I think a few people, I think 10-12, and I said candles are on me. Candles मैं सबके लिए खरीदता हूँ, it's a thing. So जैसे ही कैंडल ले ली बहुत सारी, कुछ 50-60, और पॉकेट में हाथ डाला तो किसी ने मेरा पॉकेट मार लिया था. Yeah, so I think किसी का भला हो गया I think क्रिसमस में. और वो वॉलेट बहुत महंगा था और मैंने बहुत दिल से खरीदा था और मुझे आज तक चुभता है वो, but never mind.
Okay. So this is a favorite Christmas song. Everyone sings Jingle Bells. So
Yeah.
if you can just sing, you two together.
Can
Start.
you? I'm very bad with lines. Jingle bells,
Jingle bells, jingle on the way.
Santa Claus is coming around,
riding on the sleigh.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I was wrong. Okay. That one specific thing you like about this whole season?
The whole season of Christmas is very festivity season because New Year's is there, Christmas is there, usually vacation होती है, so there's party every day. I keep telling people December, I can't diet December, I'll get fat because I have to go for a party every day and I'm celebrating every day. So the whole festivity thing about this season is what I love. And also थोड़ी सर्दी होती है which I love.
Yeah, me?
Yeah.
I mean, I think I enjoy all the festivals. Yeah? Christmas is one of them. I think the world is lively on this day. You go on the roads and you find them lit. So I think I mean that's about it.
Jasmine, do you go shopping when it comes to Christmas? For Christmas, do you shop?
I don't need a reason to shop. I can shop anytime.
क्या बात? बहुत पैसे हैं इसके पास.
What about you, Siddharth?
Sorry, I didn't follow the question.
Do you go for shopping on the eve of Christmas?
Actually, मैं अभी shopping करके यहाँ पे आ रहा हूँ. But not specially यार, because Christmas में honestly बहुत भीड़ होती है यार. So instead I go to a church and then if there are बाहर ऐसे stalls होते हैं ना, so I like picking up those goodies and stuff for people around.
Okay. So Jasmine, if you could ask 3 things or 3 wishes to Santa Claus, what would it be?
कि सिद्धार्थ और जैस्मिन को जल्दी से अच्छा सा कुछ शो मिल.
I don't want to share this. The secret mission is between me and Santa.
Okay. So that what about you?
यार बचपन में मेरी सॉक्स भी खाली रह गई थी, कुछ उसमें आया नहीं. तो अब क्या होगा? एक दिन उन्होंने भी बोला सॉक्स रखो सैंटा क्लॉज आएगा, मैंने रख दी और मैं सुबह उठा सॉक्स खाली थी. मैंने कहा पापा मम्मी अभी तक सो रहे हैं. तो मैं क्या विश मांगूँ यार. आई थिंक मेरा और उनका थोड़ा रिलेशन अलग है. मैं कुछ मांगता नहीं उनसे. आई थिंक इफ ही इज देयर ही नोज व्हाट आई वांट.
So can you say Merry Christmas in some other language?
No.
You know how to pronounce it in Spanish or in French?
Tirastro parastri.
Means?
Is this how it is actually pronounced? Okay.
किसी रशियन लड़की ने सिखाया.
कैमरा पे गंदी बातें नहीं करते।
गंदी बात क्या, लड़की सिखाने में गलत है?
मेरी टीचर थी।
उसका दिमाग गंदा है ना।
Okay, so do you get gifts on the occasion usually? If yes, then what's the best gift you have received on the eve of Christmas?
Actually, we keep receiving gifts throughout the year. Like the specific occasion नहीं है.
Yeah, I think it's all my life has been about surprises and gifts, and people who love me, I get something special or the other from them. But right now, so at the moment, I think this is very special for me because it's sent by our fans, and मैं जो भी चाहूँ, जो भी
आपकी वजह से हो.
fans की वजह से.
Yeah, like I can never thank enough Z only, you know, because Z basically has given us this life with identity.
And you know, I think it was our first show, and it will always be special.
Special. Yesterday only I was thinking like how special.
No matter what
Z
we
is
do
to
in
them.
life, I'm sure she is going to do a lot of shows, a lot of work. अगर जिंदगी देखी मैं भी करूँगा थोड़ा emotional है, but that first show will always be special.
First show, team, channel.
Thank you Z, thank you EVP, and thank you people actually.
Yeah. Okay, so then
जी तो
last.
हमारे टच में नहीं है पर आप
Okay, the last question for this segment, usually we say something for fans. We have to draw actually something for fans. Okay, so here are the boards. If you can draw something for your fans, maybe your feeling, if you can just describe it in a drawing. Let's say who draws better. So that you have to.
Where's the chalk?
Here.
कहाँ है?
Here.
Jasmine copy मत कर मुझे.
Just tell me when it is finished. Bye.
कहीं तू वही तो नहीं.
Drawing तो इसकी ज़्यादा अच्छी है.
नहीं यार.
मेरी तो बहुत ही बचपन से करती है.
It's over?
No.
Oh, mine's over.
Okay, just wait a minute. We'll give it Jasmine का drawing. Okay,
दिखा
done? No,
I think we have
अब दो
to-
मिनट साथ में
Okay.
One.
Yeah, I'll have to explain what it is. It's very
Okay.
simple, but it's meaningful.
Okay.
So you show what.
One, two.
एक ही करके पहले lead.
Okay, okay.
Come on,
ladies first,
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
दिखा.
Love to all my fans.
कितना
मतलब-
कॉपी करती है मुझे.
अरे कितना झूठा है.
Hearty है, पर
कितना
कुछ-
he's such a liar. Love all the love. मतलब एक है वो वाला भी and extra 3 hearts for you.
ये इसका एक्चुअली दिल है ना मंदिर का प्रसाद है, थोड़ा सबको देती रहती है. So this is actually a heart, obviously this is my heart. और I'll tell you, ये जो थोड़ी सी ये है ना, ये white, ये मैंने थोड़ा सा बचा के रखा है, बाकी सब आप ही के लिए.
That's for whom, Siddharth?
ये for someone special.
हाँ.
आप लोगों को मार्जिन दिख रहा है कितना है, मतलब you know.
एक सेकंड ना
This is
चौक गिर
true.
गया मेरा हाथ में.
Is she already there or?
I don't know what you're asking. Are you talking to Dasha? Are you talking to Fresh?
When I'm asking that the one where you know
मुझे
highlighted
इंग्लिश
the
आती नहीं, मैं तो गवार आदमी हूँ.
जो आपने दिल को हाईलाइट किया है वो ऑलरेडी है या आने वाली है?
ये सब क्या है?
मैं हिंदी बोल गया.
Merry Christmas, be happy, drink, dine, party, just be happy in life. You've got one life, just be happy, make the most out of it.
Love yourself, follow your dreams, be sexy.